Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change the name of your Shopify store and update a few other settings. So first, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, go down to the left-hand side and click on Settings. Now in the Settings menu, you'll see a bunch of options. What we're looking for is right under General, so click on that. Alright, now that we are in the General settings, you see a section that says Store Details. This is where the magic happens. See that little pencil icon next to your store name? Click on that and you can change your store name to whatever you want. For example, let's call it Peter Chair Shop. Next, scroll down a bit and you'll find the settings for time zone and order ID. You can make any necessary changes here. Now let's talk about the order ID. This is the automated email customers get when they place an order, saying something like your order ID is number 1001 or 1002 or 1003 and so on. You can customize the structure of this ID using the prefix and suffix spaces provided. For example, you could have PET and over here you could say 223 or something similar. The middle part will be the actual order number. For order processing, you have a few options. You can choose to automatically fulfill the order's line items, automatically fulfill the gift cards of the order, or don't fulfill any of the order's lines items automatically. After making all these changes, click on the Save button at the bottom right. Now let's move on to setting up your domain name. On the left side, select Domains and click on it. This will show you where to get started. You can either buy a new domain or connect an existing one if you already have one. A good domain shouldn't cost too much, usually between $15 and $39 per year. You can buy it through Shopify or from other sites like Namecheap, Squarespace or GoDaddy. Buying from other sites might be a bit cheaper, but involves extra steps to connect them to your Shopify store, which can be confusing for beginners. Plus, you might end up managing multiple subscriptions, which can get tricky. If you forget to update your payment details, you could lose your domain. So spending a few extra dollars per year for convenience might be worth it. So let's go ahead and search for Peter Wooden Chair. You'll see the prices shown below. Once you find the domain you like, put in your details on the purchase side. The next step is to verify your email using a link sent by Shopify. And once you do that, you're good to go. Another benefit of buying a domain through Shopify is that they help you keep your personal information hidden from the public. Finally, to go back to the home admin page, go over to the top left corner of your screen and click on the X icon, and this will take you back. And that's it, you've successfully changed your store's name and domain. Great job.